welcome to the Hacienda. Today we are making something delicious. They're Logan's Sloppy Joes, and Logan, you know who you are. Logan was my buddy that we used to work together, and he got the basic recipe from his ex-girlfriend's mom, and then he went ahead and jazzed it up, and now I'm further jazzing it up. So this is like a third, fourth generation Sloppy Joe recipe, which is awesome. Anyway, I'm doubling it here, so what you see is double, but in the recipes below, it's going to be the single recipe. And the way he jazzed it up, he added my pickled okra. He loves pickled okra. I've given him tons of it. He uses some of the vinegar that it's pickled in and chopped okra in the recipe. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing we're going to do in a skillet with some melted butter, we're going to saute the chopped and seeded jalapeno and the onion. Okay, we're going to cook them till their onions translucent. Then we're going to set it off to the side. Alright, once the meat is pretty much cooked all the way through, we're going to add the onions and the jalapenos so we cooked. Then your favorite barbecue sauce. And again, the quantities are going to be in the notes below. The pickled okra and the vinegar is pickled in, the pickling juices. Key ingredient for Logan's Sloppy Joes. And 2 cans of Manwich. And Logan's girlfriend's mom's secret ingredient, mustard. Yeah, yellow mustard. Now, I'm putting in here, a generous amount, I guess based on what he said. For the single recipe, it's a 1/4 cup. So I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of yellow mustard. Plockman's mustard is the second best mustard in America today. Now, we're going to stir this all in together. We're going to bring it to a boil, turn it down to simmer, cover it, and cook it for 20 minutes. Meet me then. Alright, so now I told you that this is going to be my twist on Logan's recipe. I'm going to top my sandwich with a little bit of Velveeta because I like it, and some cilantro. So let's go ahead and put the sandwich together. Alright, so for this deliciousness, you're going to need a jumbo bun. In this case, we've got tailgater size Deliciousness. So let's go ahead and serve some of this up. Man, does it smell good. Oh, look at that. Look at that sloppiness. Oh yeah, low carb too. And on top of that, we're going to put some Velveeta cheese. Get in there. Get that melty dairy goodness in there. And of course, the rivetness. Some chopped cilantro as a garnish. Oh, yeah. Yum. Look at that bun. Alright, and so now we're going to cap this baby up. And there you go. Logan's Sloppy Joe. Logan, thanks for the recipe and the inspiration. You know who you are. And the rest of you, thanks for watching, people. Take care. Bye-bye.